Good evening, football critics. Welcome back to the channel. You are joined by your boy Nhlanhla Nhlakuzini Team, and I'm joined by my co-host Unkonzo Buthelezi. Jayam, what a game we've just watched. What a game we've just watched.
Yeah, yeah,
I really enjoyed this type of game. Yabo le game le TS Galaxy neMamelodi Sundowns. Mina ngokubona kwami, in my opinion, I feel like this game, after your Soweto Derby, your Sundowns versus Pirates, your Kaizer Chiefs versus Mamelodi Sundowns, after those games, I feel like this is the best game in the league. Yabo,
yeah.
especially
It's
mabedlala eMbombela. Like there's just something about TS Galaxy when they play Mamelodi Sundowns in Mbombela. They just liven up and show up for the game. Yabo. And it was no different today. Yabo. But I was quite disappointed with how they played the second half. I feel like the second half they ran out of Ukazol. I think Ukazol Ubalegi Sundowns was on top in the second half. And even nale goal
yeah,
abalikorile TS Galaxy set piece uqhwasha we goalie, which I felt like it's gonna be one of those nights for Mamelodi Sundowns again against the TS Galaxy. But I mean, I just want to start about the TS Galaxy themselves. Um, I felt like Ukochi sort of let his starting lineup down, Bernard Park, because of his selection yakhe yokubeka uZindong as sort of like a right back or a right wing back. Yeah, but which is the
yeah,
position that I don't feel like Uzindong is comfortable with. Because Mina, in the times I've watched Uzindong, Uzindonga is a winger. Yeah, and is very dangerous as a winger. He's got pace, he's got strength. Yeah, he's very mobile. Yeah, winger. So mamdlalisa as like a right back or right wing back, kumele defend all the time. Like you are limiting his game, and bobona ukuthi ube uncomfortable. Even the penalty that he gave away. Yabo. Uyabona laphayana ukuthi since engajwayele ukudlala like a defensive position,
it's not a
there's a lack of
defender yet.
defensive awareness. Yabo. There's a lack of defensive awareness, and uze wayidala leyo penalty there. Yabo. So I felt like lapho uyayilimita even iTS Galaxy themselves of being much of a threat. Yabo. But I was
Exactly.
impressed with the way um kade bezama ukulinokha ngakhona ibhola, trying to get out and play on those counter attack with Abo Victor Letwalo, who I think is also an underrated player, an underrated striker. A
Exactly.
striker is no pacey, good first touch, good
Yeah,
finishing. Yabo. I'm impressed by Ankela Labo, Mbwelase. He's always performing. The winger
yeah,
Mahlambi. Uyabona mina I have a criticism Mahlambi. Iwinga le-TS Galaxy. I think kune-player laphaya, but I think at the moment he's lacking decision making. Yabo,
yes, exactly.
because he's quick, um, he's very good on the ball,
Skillful.
but final
Yes,
decision making is what lets him down. Yabo,
exactly.
so I feel like coach has to work on him ngaleyo nto leyo, because I feel like that's gonna be the thing that will block his move to a bigger team. Yabo, just applying it decision making. But as for Mamelodi Sundowns, man, I mean, what else can you say about the Sundowns, bro? I'm a key player. They showed up, Habo Mudau, yabo, giving assist on last minutes. I was impressed with the two midfielders, the youngsters with Sundowns. Abo Ukekana Beno Benet Mkwena. I think they feel like a club with Sundowns. I think they are
Exactly.
Sundowns players. Mobabuga, they are Sundowns midfielders. Comfortable on the ball, comfortable in receiving the ball in tight spaces. Yabo. Bayalifuna
Yeah,
ibhola. They don't shy away from ibhola. Mina ave ngilithanda i-midfielder mfethu elingalibalekeli ibhola elifunayo lithi letha lento la ngenze something,
yeah,
yabo. So I feel like Sundowns, they really identified their right type of profile of midfielders for their team. But yeah, Njaya, overall I enjoyed the game. I thought the Sundowns deserved to win that game. Especially ngendlela
exactly.
abadlale ngakhona kwi-second half. So Jaya, what do you
Exactly.
think of the game?
Yeah, good game, man. Ish, good game. As you already said, you could see fixture ATX Galaxy and Sundowns. It's another big fixture that we need to focus on the league, and we need to give credits because Ngaso sonke isikhathi makudlala leya game, there is a drama. You understand? There is a drama, there is good football. You can see the character from the players, both from TX Galaxy and Mamelodi Sundowns, because also for the late equalizers to like I think it's 2 goals in 6 minutes, because another one it was 88, another one it was 94. So that shows a lot of character. And from similar player who made 2 assists and also same player who scored 2 goals. So yeah, it was a good game. Firstly, to go back to the game, I think sometimes they started very well. More especially first 10 minutes, they started on the front foot as we expect. They knocked the ball. They'd be able to progress the ball. More especially on the first goal. What's a good pass, pinpoint pass by Marcelo Allende. Good first touch from Matthews. Again, that's the criticism you raised based on ETX Galaxy. It doesn't make sense. How can you play Zindonga as a right back? Like he made those errors in that position because when as a coach you am exposure. Like Zindonga, we know he's more good, not defensive but offensive. He can give you something going forward. Do you understand? So I didn't understand. I didn't understand that decision. I know we are not on the training with them, but no, you can see even on the game, like that decision didn't make sense. You understand? So after Sundowns got a goal, one thing that stood out for me, more especially from TX Galaxy, is the high aggressive pressing. High aggressive pressing. They win the ball several times from a danger zone in Mamelodi Sundowns, 18-yard in Mamelodi Sundowns, on the Mamelodi Sundowns half. You understand? Even the first goal about Gorile. So that was good. That was good because one thing you know, Mamelodi Sundowns, they will force to start. They will force to build up. Even if they are under pressure, they don't have a space, but they make sure that they want to build up from the back. But again, they did their homework. Because that's the thing. Like for bona ukuthi bewina amabhola for isikhathi esingaka for many time, it shows that they understand how they play. Like they make sure that they are more compact to each other. They allow them to play wide. Whenever they got the ball wide, they close the line. They force them to play back central. That's where they win the ball. So that's one thing that stood out for me: the pressing. It was a very good aggressive press, and yeah, it's rewarded them because Babacine Betoli goalie. So and again, the way like abadlali ngayo first half, ubulibona ukuthi bayakwazi ukunokha ibhola, you understand? Bebekwazi ukutholana, more especially in the midfield, that they are able to progress the ball. Velase, he had a good game. Also, that's young boy, it's Nkosi. Yeah, I think it's Kosi, number 6 player. So yeah, I think first half needs to go to TX Galaxy. Credit to TX Galaxy because after the 10 minutes, after they conceded the goal, because they conceded the goal on the 7 minutes penalty. Then after that penalty, they responded very well. You can see with the aggression press, they press, they win the ball, and whenever they win the ball, like they know what they need to do with the ball. They are more direct in terms of attacking. Then yeah, the thing second half, I think second half they didn't come to the party. You can see like he wanted to make sure that he defend more, especially whenever he get that second goal. Like he wanted to sit at the back, and whenever he sits at the back, he invites a pressure from Mamelodi Sundowns. You understand? And whenever you invite a pressure from Mamelodi Sundowns, that's what you get. So that's the criticism I have. I believe like Uguti, he needed maybe to make sure he tried to balance the midfielder, add an extra man in the midfielder. And also, if you see Mahlambi is tired, eliminate Mahlambi. If you see also Joshua is tired on that side, eliminate and bring someone who can make sure that also is giving Sundowns a threat. Because one criticism you need to point with Mamelodi Sundowns, more especially their centre backs, they're slow. They're slow. They can make errors, just that they have very good full backs, more especially on the right hand side. Yeah, what's a player. Understand? And also, there's another point I want to raise from Mamelodi Sundowns. Now, I think it's 3 times in a row this season. 3 times this season, they considering a set piece. You understand? And that was poor marking on that set piece. Poor marking. Yeah, it was a good, like cross, good delivery from Velas, but it was poor marking. That was free header. You understand? So I think that's the criticism. But I think Mamelodi Sundowns second half. It was a game of two half, honestly. It was a game of two half. First half has to go to Mamelodi Sundowns, and also second half has to go also to no. First half is to go to TX Galaxy, and then second half has to go to Mamelodi Sundowns. But I was impressed with the way they played, more especially second half. We see Marcelo Allende come to the party. Nkulise come and be an impact player, and also Kesha Smailula. You can see impact of Kesha Smailula. He didn't score a goal, but on both of those two goals, last goals, like he was on the move, he was involved more. You understand? So I think he's one of the players akafikile waba ne-impact gaming. All in all, Mamelodi Sundowns, they deserve this win based on the performance ababenayo second half. Understand? Based on the performance ababenayo second half, indlela abaresponde ngayo, because it takes the champions mentality to go even more. Even if you see it's okay. Now it's 85 minutes. Still, we are struggling. We are missing chances, but we keep on going. They are patient enough, and also they are able to find the pockets, because amagoli wabo what's a pass from Matthews, lapho a second goal Matthews or receive ibhola, badlala ibhola la spacing lapho ama-defender khona. Composure from down. That's the reward of ukuba nama quality players. That's composure. If it was someone else who will same time, but that's composure. It eliminates the center back in front of Yena, but Lali cut back Wakora, even on the second goal. So I think it was a good game, and more especially for Mamelodi Sundowns. It was a game of two halves. It's always exciting Pugale fiction.
As you mentioned the Mamelodi Sundowns, as I always say, I always compliment a senior player Mamelodi Sundowns, because I feel like they are always consistent. Yabo.
Yeah.
You always get the same players out of them. Yabo. But mina ngifuna ukuyincoma like ama-substitutions aka-coach uKados, ukufaka uMkhulise benokesha Smailula, because he read the game. He saw ukuthi okay, TS Galaxy now they don't want to play. Yabo. So mangifaka any midfielder who I know ukuthi this midfielder has got experience, is also a box crashing midfielder. Yabo. He can cause uhlupho in and around the box area. And ukufaka uKesha Smailula, someone who can score himself or drag players out of position.
Yes, exactly.
And then it was genius. It was genius because it was even more pressure on ETS Galaxy, and they were able to open the ETS Galaxy even more. Because the more you try to defend, the more you have to concentrate. And lapho ke Sundowns like sikubambe kanje Sundowns. So I feel like coach Nai was really smart ngama substitutions wakhe. And I feel like leyo defend ama set piece Sundowns, I feel like it's always been a weakness at Sundowns for a very long time, honestly, because you see even like we Kev, the way aba consider ama goal, even in previous times when they were trying to win Kev, mawuthi uyabuka the way kade bephuma ngakhona, it was through set pieces. Yabo. So I feel like ama set pieces is a fundamental weakness yabo, which I feel like all coaching now they need to work on. Yabo. But all in all, I thought it was a great game. And I really enjoyed that game.
Yes. So it was a good game. It's a pity some of the players they didn't come to the party. Nuno Santos, he was not on the game.
Nuno Santos. Yeah, well, Nuno Santos. In fact, I feel like ever since I mean, I don't feel like he's been consistent enough. Yeah, well, exactly. He's the only player from the foreign player that the Sundowns have bought who I felt like he hasn't been consistent enough. Yabo.
Also with
Sometimes
with the
kuba khona
senior.
ama-game la idlala khona, but then sometimes he disappears. But
I think it's the same situation with Rezinho, but Rezinho is worse. So that's the thing. Whenever you're an international player, a foreign player, you need to be special. You can
yeah,
you can see the impact of Marcelo Allende in this midfielder. So no man, he detects that midfielder. He makes sure that he makes Sundowns play. He progress the ball. You understand? He made those box entries. He's able to find the pockets. Yeah. Also, the criticism I only have with Mkwena. Bennett Mkwena is a very, very good player. He's a very good player, but in some cases, I feel like the decision also lets him down. You understand? Because instead of passing, he shoots. Instead of shooting, instead of maybe shooting, he wants to pass. You understand? He needs to work on his decision making, but taking nothing away from him. He's a good player. He's a good player, and always there is a room for improvement. But yeah, all in all, man, it was a good game. It was a good game. The only criticism I have on the Mamelodi Sundowns side is that two pairing. But again, they can improve. I believe they can improve. Then yeah, I think they have a good game because I saw Van Beek on the first game. He was very very good. Just that today he was not his day, and also he can
yeah,
adapt slowly but surely. Understand? So yeah,
yeah,
and
yeah.
also TX
Exciting.
Galaxy, TX Galaxy, yeah, they like I think they come up with a good character. I believe if maybe they go with the same mentality on the second half, maybe they should have get something out of this game. And also the lack of concentration, man. Like I feel like they lack the concentration more, especially on the second goal. Even the third goal they concede, it's like they lose the ball here, like on the danger zone, then Sundowns counter press quick and also make use of that opportunity.
Yeah, I think also credit has to go to Sundowns. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because sometimes you have to sniff out what your opponents are sebelele, yabo. Because how many times does that happen in games where your opponent
yeah,
ilale, but some team they fail to capitalize on that. Yabo.
exactly,
Sundowns, yeah,
exactly.
they always capitalize. Yabo. So I feel like credit also has to go to Mamelodi Sundowns. But
Yes.
yeah, I feel like the PSL is really, really exciting this season because
Yeah,
ngesikhathi ngibuka le game le, I was hearing ama-results from others ukuthi hey, o-3-3 laphayana ku-Stellenbosch nePolokwane City. So I'm glad if PSL
so
like
it's kind of
amagoli maningi ayangena even from other
exactly,
games. We saw
exactly.
4-3 on the
Yeah,
weekend. Yeah, so it
yeah,
makes our
yeah.
league really, really exciting, and I hope ukuthi this continues. Yeah, because the more
Exactly.
goals scored, the more we bring in more. Even the abantu abathi APSL iyabhora, there's lack of quality, onke leyo nto. So the more goals scored, the more bebuya labo bantu labo. But
Exactly. The more
yeah,
they show equality.
yeah. But
Yeah. So
I really, really enjoyed today's game. I don't know if there's anything else you want to say about today's game.
maybe before we close, what are your takes on Bernard Parker as a head coach?
I mean, I think he's a good coach. Honestly, I think where he needs to work on, obviously, sometimes profiling abadlali, but also being consistent makadlala namanye ama-team amancane, because yes, you can
Exactly.
perform against the Mamelodi Sundowns, yabo, and look good and stuff, but do the same thing against ama-team that are yabo regarded as like ukuthi ulingana now. So I feel like that's where he still needs to improve.
And that's what can make them as a better team, as a good team, actually. You understand?
Yeah.
So if they go with the same mentality against cheaper, obviously they will win. So
Mm.
yeah, good game. Yeah, that's all I have for today. Yeah,
Yeah.
please support
Yeah,
the
that's all
channel,
that's all we
subscribe,
have for
like the
you guys.
video, comment.
Yeah, guys, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. comment, tell us your thoughts. We talk and breed football here all the time. Yeah, great game that we have watched. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Kusasa kudlala ezaseSoweto. Hopefully they do the job. Hopefully we come back here and speak well about those teams. But yeah, you will see us here tomorrow. Yeah, it's your boy Nhlanhla Nhlakazini Mdima. I was joined by my co-host Nkonzo Buthelezi, and we are signing out. Hola.
Sharp, sharp.